Minutes. My name is Caroline and this is Exam Prep 1. Exams are definitely a very stressful time of the year, but there are a few things you can do before your exams to make this time more manageable. In order to do so, here are a few tips and tricks. Number 1. Have a good note-taking system and prepare in advance. For example, try out the Cornell note-taking system. We have a whole video on that here on our YouTube channel. Check it out. If you take good notes, this will help you start preparing for your exams early on. Number 2. Develop good study habits. You need a good desk, a comfortable chair, enough light, and the right temperature in the room. It should not be too hot or too cold. Study with your friends if it helps you, or study by yourself if you need to get the peace and quietness. You could also get together as a study group and you can discuss anything you don't understand, and if you have questions, don't hesitate to send them to your lecturer. Or you could of course ask your friends and peers. Also, look at past exam papers, compare them to your tutorials and see if you can answer the questions from the last few years, because this will actually help you prepare for this year's exams. Number 3. Have an effective study strategy. Make sure you start early enough and not just a week before the exam. If you want to be structured about your preparation, you can for example use the ASPIRE method. A stands for approach, attitude and arrange. S stands for select, survey or study. P stands for put aside, piece together. I stands for inspect, investigate or inquire. R stands for reconsider, reflect and relay. And finally E stands for evaluate, examine and explore. Number 4. Take care of yourself. It may sound redundant, but get enough sleep. Make sure you eat properly, you drink enough water and you take lots of breaks. It may seem like you don't have enough time for breaks or exercising, but it is really essential to help you cope with all that stress. Here's a quick recap. Make sure you have a good note-taking system, good study habits and structures, and that you start your exam prep early enough. And now take a deep breath and don't worry, you got this. If you want to know more about study strategies or exam prep, we have more videos here on our YouTube channel for you to check out. Thank you for watching and good luck with your exam.